tuning in. My name is Maria, for those that don't know me. Today I wanted to do a reveal of my Keep Hall 45, Keep Hall Bandolier 45 in the Damier Ebene. So without further ado, let's get started. So I purchased this baby back in June 28th, 2013. Came in, so this is the original bag. The box that it comes in. It's really big. Here we go. Okay, so just get the bag out of the way. It comes with a ribbon, like the leather ribbon, but we'll just move that aside. Okay, so with all Louis Vuitton treats or handbags, it comes with the dust bag. So actually, here's the receipt. I did get hot stamping for the luggage tag. However, I have misplaced the luggage tag and I don't actually know where that is. So that is the receipt from this purchase. Okay, so again, for those that know me, I love the Damier Ebene print. So here we go. It has the comfortable leather handles for easy carrying, and it's so super soft. It's beautiful, and you have the removable straps in the gold hardware. So you just attach it like so to each end. Okay, and then it comes with the two zippers on each end. I'm going to start with a con about this bag. I shouldn't start with a negative, but the only con that I can say with this bag is that it has no leather, like no inserts or no pockets on the inside. So for those who are considering purchasing an item, that might be a make or break for you. It wasn't a make or break for me because I just love everything about this bag. I'm going to fill it up a bit for you so you can see what it's like. So I don't usually fill my bag up with these things. It's just for viewing purposes so that you can see how full it can get. So this is a picnic bag, picnic mat, sorry, that I'm putting in. I'll put in a cushion my auntie gave me from England. Still have it. Okay, put that in. I've got a makeup bag. Yes, it's very big. Included all my MAC goodies. Okay, so the makeup bag can go inside. And that's actually starting to look really full at the moment. So, and then just some Beats headphones. So, I'm going to zip it off on each end. Just push it down a little bit. So you've got the gold zipper. And this is what it looks like when it's full. From top to bottom. Okay, so I'll give you your dimensions. Your dimensions are 45 in the length of this bag, 27 in height from bottom to top, and 20 centimeters in width. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you have the bag quite full, and this is what it looks like on me when I wear it. It's the ultimate travel piece for me when I'm going out. I don't have regrets about anything with this bag. I love it. It makes its own statement. It's a timeless piece. If you're considering getting a bag, like a designer piece, I highly recommend this. It comes in the 45. The 50 doesn't come with a strap, so the 50 would be slightly bigger, but no strap. But then the 55 comes with a strap. And considering I've had it for 3 years, it's kept itself really nice. Like you can see, the canvas is just beautiful. There's probably minor cracks or scratches, if you would say, on the leather, but that's not that comes over time. But that's not really a deal breaker or a big thing for me. I do miss my luggage tag. It had my initials MTA on it. Really want it back. And then it came with also the gold the gold locking key. I can't find that as well. I'm pretty bad sometimes. But that's it. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And thank you for all those who have been sharing my videos and just giving me some really good feedback. In my next video, I hope to do the Damia E-Beam, the Neverfull in the GM size. But this is my favorite luggage travel item. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.